we've been sitting here for about an hour. There are just people everywhere. Like, this guy has been calling like every 5 minutes on a box call, and he does not sound good. Like, he is not very good at calling. I'm not bashing on him, because neither am I, but it's just hilarious. And this is our first time ever hunting Osceola turkey in Florida, which makes me excited. So, I'm not too mad about it. But we are going to get up and be mobile. We're not going to call or anything. We're just going to walk and see if we can find a new spot to sit back down, which might be a little bit dangerous. So update from the field. Nick's back there munching on an apple. We just took a nice dirt nap and we're now hearing, I think there's a buggy coming right up this road actually. They're just like people on four-wheelers and other all-terrain vehicles. No gobbles. We heard another hunter off to our left. I think we might wait until during the week to hunt this spot because it is just crawling with people. Which I'm not trying to complain. I get it. That's how it is with public land, especially in a unit where you don't need a quota. I knew it was going to be like this, but I think it'll start to get pretty old pretty quick. I can laugh about it today, but you only have so much time to hunt. That's okay. We're still out here. I will say, this little guy, this little knee pad is the best thing because I can sit there leaning up against a tree and rest my shotgun on my knee and have it resting, the butt in my shoulder and just kind of wait and I'm there. So I love that thing. That's been one of my favorite pieces of equipment thus far. And the vest is obviously so sweet. If you watched my scouting video, when we were out here scouting ahead of opening day, I kind of walked you guys through the features of the vest, and I've been very comfortable this morning. Off to the next location. Actually, let's call. Why not? Got nothing to lose. I'm just messing around at this point. Oh, he's coming for me. Gators. Good morning. The morning has been pretty quiet, but it is beautiful. I got up for a second just to stretch. There were a couple fellas that parked next to us this morning that we also saw yesterday, and we heard a shot their direction, and they said that they roosted some birds last night, so very confident that they killed one, which is really exciting, because not a lot of birds are killed in this area, so to know that someone had some success out here is really cool. Ryan and Kaylin are down a ways, and we're hunting with them again. You saw them a couple videos back. This is our first time hunting turkeys with them. We haven't heard anything or seen anything, but one thing that I noticed, and I really hope we have footage that will show this, one thing that I noticed this morning, even more so than yesterday, just how active like the birds are chirping in the morning, and then as soon as the sun comes up, like the crickets. So like the sounds that you're hearing now just remind me of summer, and like the sounds of the birds in the morning remind me of like spring turkey hunting back home. Back to sitting. There's a drone. I don't know what the laws are in Florida, but if I had to guess, I would guess that it is illegal to use drones to hunt, and I'm confident that that drone was being flown by a hunter because they paused over our decoy. And I wouldn't be surprised if in 10 minutes there were a couple dudes heading out this way.
Because, I mean, a lot of these birds are like 2 o'clock birds.
Ew! Oh my god! Help me. I feel like I could hear a little echo off of that one. It is morning of day 3 of Osceola turkey hunting here in South Florida, and this morning is much quieter in terms of people than any of the days so far. It is a weekday, which is working out well. We have only seen a handful of other vehicles, so the woods are a lot more quiet. We've been exploring and calling and, you know, setting up to see what's moving through the woods, and then sort of moving on as we go. And no gobbles yet. Little bit of sign, but we're gonna keep moving and keep setting up and praying that we hear something. One thing that was really apparent this morning, it was a little bit moist and dewy, if you will, before the sun came up, and as we were walking in the dark, you could just smell like burn. There have definitely been some prescribed burns, probably some wildfires as well, and when it gets wet, the smell of just, you know, burnt wood, really, that's cool. And to me, very unique to this area. Like, we've hunted burn out west a ton, and I've never got that overwhelming scent like I have here. Do you notice that? Yeah.
Or just all in the soil. It's just the soil's ash.
Oh, you think it's the soil?
Oh,
That makes sense if it was all wet. It's cool. We saw a doe whitetail and a hen turkey. They were just hanging out together in the road, and we walked up on them, and the deer went this way and the hen went this way. So we're gonna set up and chill for a while. This patch of land is around 60,000 acres, and only 6 birds have been killed. Out of all of the people that were here hunting opening day and for the past 2 days, only 6 birds have been killed. So that gives you an idea as to how tough hunting in an area like this is, but we're gonna keep trying. We're gonna keep coming out here and watching the sunrise and practicing my turkey calls for back in Pennsylvania. Because still haven't heard a gobble here, but you know, I'm gonna keep doing it, so yeah. So that is it for turkey hunting day 3. I apologize that there's not more action. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I want to show the whole process. I will always show the whole process. So you'll see. Hopefully I was gonna say hopefully we'll catch one. I think I was thinking about snook. Hopefully we will find the gobblers. Anyway, before I go, I do want to announce the first giveaway partner for our 25K giveaway. That is Hunter's Specialties. They will be giving away a turkey package that is so awesome because I've loved hunting with all of their gear, and I know that you guys will too. So that is what is coming up next. That'll be our first giveaway. And that is it, you guys. I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of that. That'll happen once we hit 25,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. And I will see you guys in the next video.